Hi, in this video I wanna show you how to easily convert any video to any format video. With this method you can convert any video to any video for free, change the quality, resolution, and even make the final converted video weight less than the original video. Also, with this method you can convert any video to high efficiency H.265 format and thus get a video that will take up less space on your hard drive. For example, we have a video in the webm format that cannot be played in many videos editors such as Sony Vegas and even Adobe Premiere Pro. So that you can work with this video, you need to convert it to some format, let's say MP4. To do this, we need a free program called OBS Studio. You can download it on the official website of the program. This is an absolutely free program. Make sure that you have the latest version of this program installed. Then go to Settings, Video, choose Output Convert Resolution, then FPS, then go to Output, Advanced, Recording. Here you can choose Format Video and Encoder. HEVC is a high efficient codec for less weight, and then you can setting quality, hide this, and then plus, media source, OK, browse, and here you can choose your file on file system. Then choose loop and use hardware decoding if available. OK. Stretch the original video to the desired size. Now click Start Recording and start the video from the beginning. Now we need to wait for the video to end, and at this time we can do our own businesses on the computer, open other programs, browser, etc. It will not affect the converted video in any way. When video ends, just click Stop Recording and remove this source. Just press Remove and Yes. Now go to the folder on the computer where the OBS writes and find out our converted file in the desired format. Now our video format will be readable in any program and we can further edit it, cut it, and do other actions. Thank you for watching this video. Please press like to this video, subscribe to the channel and leave any comment below. Thank you. Bye.